It's trimming day. They're finally getting rid of all the trees. We are not going to have no more freaking bird shit. We park out here and our cars get loaded with bird shit. Our prayers have been answered. Take them all down. I didn't even see these guys climb to get a rope in the tree. I don't know how they did it. The trees are coming down. The church and our complex, I guess, are paying for it. Who knows? Crazy, I'm telling you. They have a rope tied off. You can see it going all the way to the machine. These guys dropped a huge tree. If you look in the back there. Very good. You're going to chop this one. He don't have nowhere to run, though. Most of the trees are dead if you look. They're all freaking crap trees. This is what I'm saying. Look at bird shit on my fucking sliding glass door. They hang in these trees all year round. They don't fly south for the winter. These guys are fucking amazing. We're gonna have timber soon. He's running. Here it goes. There she blows. Ba-boom. These guys are killing it. Here we go, man. These guys are good. Getting rid of the birds. Whoop, whoop. Them birds are going to have to find somewhere else to go. Will it go? There she goes. Yeah, baby!